I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by softening the adhesive so the sticker lifts cleanly. Heat the center and edges for about 60 to 90 seconds. Move the tool constantly so paint stays safe. Once warm, press a fingernail or a plastic card under a corner and lift gently. You want an edge to pull slowly. If it resists, heat another 20-30 seconds and try again. Make sure to keep the dryer at least 6-8 inches away. This reduces paint risk, so you can remove the sticker without gouging. Once the paper lifts, you'll still see glue. Apply adhesive remover or 70% isopropyl to a microfiber cloth and blot. Let it sit for 20-30 seconds so the solvent penetrates. Then, using a plastic scraper at a low angle, push residue off in the direction of the panel lines. Keep alternating with short heat bursts when the glue is hardened. This shifts the adhesive from tacky to pliable. You should also wipe with clean solvent after each pass to inspect progress and prevent dragging dirt across. Finish by washing the panel with soap and water, then dry and apply a thin layer of car wax to restore protection. If you notice mild staining or haze, use a clay bar or a light polish with a soft pad to even the finish. If a spot refuses to release, go back to heat plus solvent, work slowly, and avoid aggressive scraping. And if you ever doubt the paint condition or feel resistance that could damage clear coat, call a professional. You'll save more than you risk by guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.